This is stevia, a natural sweetener. Stevia is 300 times sweeter than refined sugar and yet has 0 calories. It means that when you take stevia as a sweetener, it doesn't increase the sugar in your blood. So I will always recommend stevia for people living with diabetes because it won't spike your sugar level. You can say that the stevia is growing in a big bucket. This is like a 3-liter bucket. So you can conveniently grow your stevia here. The more you cut stevia, the more it grows. The more you cut your stevia, the more you have more leaves. The sweetness is in the leaf. So if I want to use stevia for my tea, I just need 2 leaves. I just need 2 leaves of stevia. I will drop it in my hot water to brew it. Then I'll add my whatever I want to use it to drink. I'll add it to it. Then you are good to go. Then you can also pluck all the leaves of the stevia and dry them. Becomes stevia powder. And that you can keep at home. So anytime you want to sweeten your pap, your cereal, your food, just use the dried blended stevia leaves and add it to your food to sweeten it. So every household can just have a bucket of stevia in their compound, or you can decide to have like 3, 4, 5. So as you're cutting this, the others are growing. As you're cutting others, the one that you cut week 1 will also continue to grow. So enjoy the sweetness of stevia.